Hello, welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sunday and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is soya chunks curry, popularly also known as soya bean or Mealmaker curry. So let us have a look onto the main ingredient section and let's get started. So this soya bean curry can be made in minutes and we'll be using a pressure cooker to make it more easy. So here I'm using roughly around 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Then goes 1/3 cup of garlic finely chopped, 1/3 cup of ginger paste, fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of chili and 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder. 1 tablespoon of zeera, that is cumin seeds. Salt 1 tablespoon or as per your taste, and haldi 1 tablespoon. Here I've taken some whole garam masala, that is the cinnamon, clove, bay leaf and cardamom. So the whole garam masala is 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 clove and 4 to 5 cardamom. These are green cardamom. 1 cup of onion which has been roughly chopped or 2 large onion. Roughly chopped tomatoes or 2 large tomatoes. 2 large potatoes which has been roughly chopped, and pre-soaked 200 grams of soya chunks which has been soaked for only 15 to 20 minutes. Please add around 200 grams of soya chunks. To this I'm adding 2 cup of water, warm water please. Please do not boil them, just soak them for 15 to 20 minutes. Submerge them completely in warm water. Post 15 minutes, you can just discard the water with the help of a strainer and just press them against the ladle. Remove all the excess water by just pressing them firmly and let them rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, just add around 1/4 cup of oil, any cooking oil, to the pressure cooker. Then you can add all the dry ingredients of the whole garam masala. And then goes the garlic. Just saute them for just 1 minute. To this I'm adding the onion. Just saute them well so that you remove all the raw texture of the onion. At this stage you can just add 1 tablespoon of salt so that it gets caramelized. To this I'm adding some zeera, that is cumin. Now goes the haldi, that is the turmeric. Now goes the chili powder, that is 2 tablespoons of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder. You can add the remaining salt and give them a quick mix. Saute them well and remove all the raw texture. Post adding the masala, it's very important to add water. Here I am adding around 1/3 cup of water so that it doesn't burn. To this now I'm adding the ginger paste. This is fresh ginger paste, around 1/3 cup. Mix them for a minute or two so that you remove the raw ginger taste texture. Just give it a quick mix. Please add the tomatoes. The roughly chopped tomatoes goes in. And now you can add around 1/3 cup of water. And without any pressure, I'm just cooking them for 1 minute. Now you can add the potatoes and coat them very well. Give it a quick mix. Please keep your soya chunks ready. The pre-soaked soya chunks which has been drained, just add them slowly and coat them well with all the masalas. Give it a good mix, combine them thoroughly. Before you pressure cook them, do not forget to add some clean water to it, around 2 to 3 cup of clean water, and pressure cook them for 2 good whistles. This would just take around 10 to 15 minutes, around 2 whistles only. See that you don't over pressure cook them, or else it's going to turn quite rubbery. So in order to maintain the texture, you just need to do it for only 2 whistles. Apologize for not mentioning the coriander leaves photos or the videos, but it's though optional. So you can just skip them or you can add them. This portion serves good enough generously around 3 to 4 people. So serve them hot and enjoy. If you like and love my video, please give us a thumbs up and do leave your valuable comments under the comment section below. Thank you for connecting and stay connected to Dimples in Arabian Journey. Thanks for watching.